Right, the job cost reconciliation. You want to make sure, again, that everything has been posted. You're going to run the report's entries by job, run it on the new file to make sure that everything has been posted, and then run the job cost summary report, which is on page 8 in your handout. Now, what this report is going to do, get back here and open up job cost, is it's going to go through general ledger and it's going to list every account that you have marked as a cost account. So over here, under setup, accounts, we're looking for accounts that are marked as a cost. It's expecting that all the transactions that have been entered to those accounts will have a job number on the transaction. So it's some type of a cost that's come from payroll, from accounts payable, or job cost itself. And then it's going to compare that to the activity over in job cost, and anything that has hit general ledger with no GL account number is going to show that activity being out of balance with job cost, and you'll see an activity difference there in the middle column. And that's what you need to research. Now, if this report comes up and it shows you've got something in red, the first thing that I would do is run under reports, again, run entries by account on your current file. And I would do, I think we can do two conditions here. You can index over to the GL account, and you can say account type is equal to a cost, and on the transaction, the job is equal to blank. So those two conditions there will show you any cost account transaction that does not have a job number on it, and that should equal the total that you have in your difference column, activity difference column. I'm not sure on this version of the sample data if I okay that. Let's see if we get anything to come up. Aha. Now, depending on how you're interfacing between general ledger and payroll, this is going to come up because of the payroll. Now, not this. Let me go back. Because this is summary, it's not going to have a job number. So I would expect to see that. What I wouldn't expect to see is here where we've got this cost of sales account and we've got equipment entries coming through and they don't have a job number on it. So I would need to research this to see why this account number has entries coming through with no job number. And if it's valid, if that's what you want to see, then it's okay. But I would just double check that each month that that's exactly what's showing up. So you may just leave that account number, which is at the bottom of the report on page 8, the cost of sales equipment. That number may be okay, because notice job cost doesn't have any values for it at all either. Okay. So that is your reconciliation. As far as job cost is concerned, you're just making sure that the information balances between the two modules, that those cost accounts have job numbers.